In this lecture, you are going to learn what is a canonical tag and how to use it on our website. So, what is a canonical tag? This is another option for dealing with duplicate content. The tag or EL equal to canonical tag possesses the same amount of juice like 301 redirect. But the thing is, this redirect is visible only for the eyes of search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing. But this redirect will not affect real visitors. Let me explain you with a simple example. This is a post published on my website in February 3rd week regarding a processor's release date and specification. Assume that I have got hundreds of comments on this page. But now, after the processor's release, you find that the specifications and price seems to vary from the one you have published. So now you have got two solutions. You publish a new post on the latest specification and do a 301 redirect to the new post. But what will happen to those valuable comments? Visitors will miss those comments, right? So you should find a solution that this old post should be visible to visitors but invisible in the eyes of search engines. And also, this link should be redirected to the new link in the eyes of Google, Bing, and Yahoo. This is where canonical tag comes into play. How to add canonical tag into a post on our website? It's pretty easy. Come to add new plugins page and search for canonical. Then install canonical SEO content syndication WordPress plugin. Once you have installed and activated, you can easily add the canonical tag. Let me show you how. Let's assume that this is a new post and this is an old post where I wish to keep this old post as it is for the eyes of visitors but redirect the search engine to this new post. So, how can I do that? Come to old post and click edit post. Now, come to new post, copy its URL, and then come back to old post, edit post section, come down. Here you can see SEO plugin canonical settings. Under custom canonical URL box, paste the URL of new post which you want to appear in the eyes of other search engines. Now click update. Let's view the post. So now you can see that this old post appear for the eyes of visitors, that is real users, but not in the eyes of Google because Google Spider will be redirected to the new post. In the next lecture, you will learn top 5 mistakes that ought to be avoided when using this canonical tag.